Hello everyone, welcome to today's skincare video. In this routine, I'll be showing you 2 MIZON products, a cleanser and a cream to create a basic K-beauty routine. Snail mucin is the main ingredient in these products and it has many amazing benefits. I chose these products to try out with the idea of having them as building blocks to help me maintain a minimal yet effective skincare routine. I believe a basic skincare routine can transform your skin. It is cleansing, moisturising and sunscreen. When you follow these 3 steps and use good products, you have a great foundation. Then everything else you add, such as toner, essence, and mask, work better. Skincare has a lot to do with maintenance. Every day you need to treat your skin, so your routine does not have to be long, and sometimes a basic and simple routine is your best go-to. Firstly, I will start with the MIZON Snail Repair and Foam Cleanser. I usually double cleanse either with micellar water or an oil cleanser before I go in with the foam cleanser, but it is also fine to just go straight in, especially if you're short on time. The MIZON cleanser is thick and stringy and is meant to foam up, but I use too much, so a little goes a long way with this product. When deciding on a cleanser and if it's right for you, think about how well it cleans and removes dirt, makeup, sunscreen or any other impurities on your skin, as well as if it clears your pores and has a low pH number. This cleanser deep cleans and is gentle and doesn't strip the skin. It is suitable for combination to oily skin. Snail mucin is rich in protein and glycolic acid to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles while helping to boost the skin's firmness. Combining lightly exfoliating papaya extract and antioxidant-rich green tea is good for pore care and exfoliation. It removes excessive sebum and dead skin cells and purifies pores. It leaves skin filled with moisture and supple after cleansing, still feeling hydrated. The only problem with this cleanser is that it has a pH of 8, which is very high. However, I don't mind this product because it's so cheap and effective. I just make sure to not use it all the time, and when I do, I follow it with a toner to balance my pH. Next, I go in with the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner, an ideal product to prepare the skin. Before I start applying my other products, I use this toner to once again create the environment that will maximize my skincare. This toner is effective for pH balancing, it's very moisturising, great for soothing irritated skin, and it's vegan. The right pH numbers prevent dryness, irritation and redness, and this toner contains licorice root, helps with skin brightening and it's anti-inflammatory. Treats the concerns that come with breakouts and dull skin so skin can look exceptionally smooth. After I will use the MIZON Black Snail All-in-One Cream. I was interested in this product because of the fact that it can be used morning and night. I thought it was rather pricey, but it contains a lot of nice ingredients and claims to help with many skincare concerns, so I decided to give it a try. The cream is light and absorbs well into the skin, and it doesn't have a scent. It does well to moisturize. When I use it at daytime, it lasts well, and if I use it at night, I lay it up with something else for extra hydration. The MIZON cream has African black snail mucin, which supplies moisture and nutrition, healing dark spots, blemishes, blackheads, and damaged skin. It contains 27 plant extracts to calm and protect the skin. There's niacinamide and peptides giving hydration while brightening and fighting signs of aging, as well as shea butter and olive oil to nourish and retain moisture, helping to fade hyperpigmentation and reduce the appearance of fine lines so you can achieve smoother skin and look youthful. I haven't been using this long enough to say if it's having such a big impact on my skin, but I'm hoping to see good things in the future. If this was the nighttime routine, I can end it here, but in the morning, the last step will be sunscreen. Complete every morning skincare routine with sunscreen. Without sunscreen, everything you've done is basically pointless. I am currently loving the MISSHA All Around Safe Block Essence Sun SPF 45. This MISSHA sunscreen is a broad spectrum chemical sunscreen, providing high UVA and UVB protection. UVB rays cause sunburns, but UVA rays can penetrate the deeper levels of your skin, creating sun damage and aging. And that is why you need a sunscreen that offers both forms of protection. This sunscreen has a lovely texture, very moisturizing and not greasy or sticky. Blends into the skin effortlessly with no white cast. I'm comfortable enough to wear this sunscreen every day. I haven't experienced any skin irritation or acne breakouts from this product, so it has quickly become a favorite. This is the end of this MIZON skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. All products are listed in the description box, available on Amazon and YesStyle. Use my YesStyle code and link to get 5 to 10% off your purchases. If you have any questions or suggestions for routines you'd like to see in the future, leave a comment. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe so I know what to keep posting. Bye!